In this video, I'm going to show you how you can dropship from Home Depot if you live outside the United States. What's up, Paul here from dropshippingtitans.com. I've been dropshipping onto eBay and Amazon for years now, and one of my favorite suppliers is Home Depot. And the reason for that is because they have so many items that people love to buy. But I know a lot of you live outside the United States, and for you, dropshipping is a little bit harder. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can work with Home Depot even if you live outside the United States. Now, I'm not going to show you everything you need to know about dropshipping in this short video. If you do want to learn more about dropshipping, if you're an international seller, things like setting up eBay and Amazon accounts, becoming tax exempt, let me know in the comments section down below, and maybe I'll make more videos for you international sellers. But for now, let's go into my computer and look at Home Depot. So the first challenge that you are going to have as an international seller is that when you try to go to homedepot.com, you are going to get this message: access denied. You don't have permission to access homedepot.com on this server. And that's because Home Depot doesn't allow you to visit their website if you are located outside the United States. I know, right? What's up with that? So what you need to do is you need to download a VPN. A VPN basically will make it look like you are inside the United States. Now, the one that I've been using for years and really love is NordVPN. I will have a link to it down below. That is an affiliate link. I would appreciate it if you use it. And again, I only recommend it because I personally use it myself. So once you get it set up, all you got to do is open it up, choose a location in the United States, and then when you access homedepot.com, you will now have full access to the website. Now, obviously, the first thing that you'll need to do is start finding items that you can list up for sale on eBay and Amazon. Now, in this video, I'm not going to show you how to find those items because it's the same process for you as an international seller as it is for any other seller, including ones in the United States. So I actually have free video courses linked up down below in the description that will show you how to find items to sell. So go ahead and check out the description for those free video courses that you can take. But let's say you listed some items up, they sold, and now you need to buy the items and ship them to the customers. This is how you do it. Let's say that this is the item that you need to buy. All you need to do is add it to your cart and go to checkout. And on this page, it's going to ask you to sign in, or you can check out as a guest. I always do checkout as a guest. Now on this page is where you enter the shipping address. This is the address of the buyer who purchased the item from you. Enter in the buyer's name. For the email, you're going to enter in your email address. The phone number, you can enter the buyer's phone number here. And then their shipping address. They are looking for a billing address in the United States, which you probably don't have, but that's okay because you are going to pay with a gift card. So you will leave this box checked off. When you pay with a gift card, the billing address doesn't matter. So leave this checked off and click apply a gift card. And this is where you will enter in the gift card information. This is the easiest way for you to pay as an international seller with gift cards. Now the question is, where do you buy the gift cards from? So I have a few resources for you. The first is this website, Card Bazaar. This is one of my favorite places to buy gift cards. And the great thing is that you can pay with Bitcoin, which anyone around the world can buy. So they don't always have Home Depot gift cards, but they do sometimes. So I'll have my link, it's an affiliate link again, underneath this video, so you can check it out. Now, another website you can check out is egifter.com. I haven't personally used this one, but I've heard good things about it. And the great thing is that you can buy Home Depot gift cards and again, pay with Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, PayPal, Litecoin, Ethereum, or a credit card. Those are ways that you can buy gift cards for Home Depot, or ask on Facebook in different Facebook groups. Sometimes people will sell you the gift cards and you can pay with Payoneer, PayPal, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, or other cryptocurrencies. So once you have the gift card, then you can just enter in the gift card information here and click place order. Now the last piece of this is the tax exempt. If you have a tax exempt number, you'll enter that in here before you pay. Now, as an international seller, you can become tax exempt. The way you do it is you would have to establish a business here in the United States. Again, I'm not going to cover that in this video, but I want to let you know that it is possible for you to do that. So there you go. That's how to work with Home Depot if you live outside the United States, how to order items from them, and how to access their website. So if you found this video helpful, please smash that like button down below. And again, let me know in the comments section if you want more help if you are an international seller. Maybe you need help setting up an eBay account, an Amazon account, becoming tax exempt. There are different fees for international sellers as well on these different platforms. So if you are going to list items up for sale, be aware of that as well. Your fees on PayPal and eBay might be a little bit higher if you live in another country. So if you want more help with that, let me know in the comments section. Otherwise, subscribe to the channel for more information and for more videos like this for you international sellers, if that's what you're looking for. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.